Hey guys, Bowie here. Just wanted to share something with you that is really important, super important, because I noticed that, of course, Google now has 3 primary inboxes, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you ever look, you've got a primary, inbox, you've got a social inbox, and you've got a promotions inbox. And if you're getting emails, or at least expecting to correspond or receive emails from me, and you're not getting them, chances are that it's currently just filtering into the promotions or maybe social box, okay? And given, of course, how much I appreciate you and the time you've taken to get on my list, I want to make sure that you're getting all the emails, okay? So the first thing I want you to do right now is go here to this little gear right here, all right? And I'm going to walk you through in a few seconds how to filter my emails so that they come primarily to your inbox so you don't miss any communication from me. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right here. So give me a second to switch screen. So when you click on this box here, here's what happens. You're going to see this. So you click here. All right, so when you click on that gear, you're going to end up going to settings, right? So let you know right here. Whoops, sorry. And make sure I don't have this filled. No fill, outline, solid color. All right, so right here in settings, you're going to go here. Okay, you're going to click there. All right, and after you click there, what you're going to see next is, all right, you're going to see, right, like I mentioned, you click on settings, right? You're going to end up here. So the next place you want to go to is filters and blocked addresses. So you click there, and and then what you want to do is create a new filter. And anything from bowiemadoo.com, right, is what you want to be filtering, okay? And you can filter this in all kinds of ways, but given that my concern is that I've noticed that I shared some emails from my platform and they're not getting through, right? So rather than, wait till the problem starts getting worse, I wanted to make sure I was proactive. So once you get this domain name in here, or whatever the domain name is for you, I mean, it doesn't have to be this. Maybe there's a particular brand that you follow, but you notice that they always go to the spam or the promotions box. You just enter that domain in here. So in my case, it's bowiemadoo.com, and then so you hit search. All right. So here are all the emails for me. Okay. All right. So now, when we go back here, I'm sorry, when you're back in filter mode, I'm sorry, when you're creating that filter. There we go. All right, cool. All right, so once you do that, that's all you need to do, right? And we're gonna create the filter, right? I accidentally hit search. You want to create the filter, but search-wise, I mean, it'll give you an idea of like everything that you receive from me or whoever the brand is. But in this case, you want to create the filter, and the next thing that's going to happen is you're going to now have an opportunity to tell Google what you want it to do. So in this case, you want to never send it to spam, right? You're definitely not going to know that it's there in some cases. In some cases, if you need to forward it to a different address or somewhere that you just know you check more, you can always do that. And then here's the other critical thing. We want to categorize it as primary. I can't say enough about just these two right here, because that's the only sure shot way to make certain that you're receiving the information that you reached out to me to get, right? Or you subscribed to be able to get from me, right? Or a download, or whatever it is that you found valuable and wanted to sort of have sent to you. It's just, of course, better for you to just know ahead of time that it's not going to go to your spam box, and that is definitely going to be in your primary inbox. So once that's done, hit create filter, and we're good to go, right? And so you can do that for any other groups that you're interested in. So guys, thank you so much. And the last thing here, I just want to invite some of you who are new to the Boom Madu & Co. or any of the content that I've been creating and producing. And even if you've actually been following me for some time, I wanted to give you an opportunity to join the exclusive group that's been created. It's funny, all these years I've had all different other kinds of groups, but this is the Tribe of Action Takers that you have an opportunity to join if you are someone who's just like-minded and are willing to take action first rather than talk and stall with analysis paralysis, just like it says. Then you want to access the Facebook group that's available for action takers, of course, who want to stress less and get more done and grow their business. So I'll leave that link below. You can join, and that is a place where any question that comes to mind, anything that you're sort of deadlocked in trying to resolve, email marketing wise, digital marketing wise, strategy wise, that is where I can give you some of my focus or attention to make sure that you're getting the support that you need. Alrighty, so thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Alright, so make sure you go ahead and rewatch this video as many times as you need to make sure you understand how to set up that filter, as I mentioned a moment ago, right? And hang on here. And again, all you need to do is click on settings, or click on the gear, settings, filters, create new filter, put in the domain name, right? And I already have created it. Of course, I would hit create filter, and then it would pop in there. Or actually, when I pop it in there, what you would expect, what would happen next when I do that is it'll give you the option to, again, never send it to spam, choose the category of primary, and then hit create filter, and you're good to go. Okay, that's all you need to do. Alrighty, so it's already there. That's it. So again, guys, join the tribe. Let's make this happen. I'm looking forward to working with you guys, and let's make this an extraordinary year. What's left of it, depending on when you're catching this video, and let's find ourselves really stressing less and get more done and growing our business in a harmonious way. All right, guys, appreciate you. Take care.